Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Luis made a request in the comments for Leggett and Platt. Thank you, Luis, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. With a market cap of $4.8 billion, Leggett and Platt just got dropped from the S&P 500. It operates within the furnishings, fixtures and appliances industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Most data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 6.2%. Earnings growth, 2.4%. Earnings estimates, 5.2%. Return on capital, 12.41%. Debt to free cash flow, 14.3 years. Share buybacks, no. And now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 4.64%. Payout ratio, 59.71%. Growth rate, 4.32%. Growth years, 1 year. That gives Leggett and Platt 4 out of 10 points. Well, that's a mediocre score. You might want to reevaluate this company as a position for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Leggett and Platt is modestly undervalued. What's your thoughts on Leggett and Platt in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a request in the comments regarding future videos. If you found value in this video, please leave a like and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.